Good morning, dear kids. Today we'll be taking our new topic, that is arc length and sector area. My dear kids, now what do you mean by a sector? We have done in our grade 8th. That is, if I put something like this, then this part is known as minor sector and this is called as major sector. Am I correct? Yes. If I suppose give you an angle here, okay, and if I ask you, suppose if I give you this angle to be 60 degree, and if I ask you to find the sector area, my dear kids, for area of sector you have a formula, that is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Are you getting my point clear? Whenever you have been given the central angle of a sector in degree, you can use this formula. But if you want this, if you have this angle given as in radians, in that case you have to use the formula as 2 pi, and this is pi r square. I'll delete this and my answer will be half r square theta. Are you getting my point clear? And further you will also learn that your half r square theta, because r theta is s, so my formula can also become half r s. S is the arc length, but that part I'll take it into your arc length topic. Now at present we have sector area, and as I said you, sector area अगर डिग्री में है angle, central angle, then you can go for theta upon 360 into pi r square. And if it is not in degree, if it is in radians, in that case you can take the formula as half r square theta. And further you will get to know that r theta I'll substitute as s, that is the arc length, and then your formula will become half r s. But basically when you have it in degree, this is the best formula for it. When you have it in degree, this is when you have it in radian, this is the best formula, and when you have it in degree, that I already said you, that is area of sector. Okay, I'll erase this part. So you have two formulas. Area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Got my point clear? So you have one this formula and one this formula, which will later turn out to be this. This will turn out to be this, but later part. For the time being, you can learn this formula or this. Okay? Then you have, my dear kids, arc length. Now what is arc length? Let's see. What is arc length? If I am again drawing a very nice circle, this is a center. So this part, my dear kids, will be called as arc. Yes? और उसका जो measurement होगा, that will be called as arc length. Now to find the formula for arc length, we'll go for arc length is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Because the entire circle circumference is 2 pi r, so you can go for this formula. This you can use when you have been given the central angle in degrees. But when you have the central angle in radians, at that time you have to just convert this 360 into 2 pi, as we have already done in my previous video that 2 pi is 360, and from there only we got the value of pi as 180. So you got 2 pi theta upon 2 pi into 2 pi r. So 2 pi cut, and your answer will be theta r. Arc length formula will be theta r. Theta you can write it in radians, and r is the radius. Are you getting my point clear? So these are the formulas for arc length and sector area. Hope you have understood the formulas. In my next video, you will get through with all the tough problems. God bless.